Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's July 26, 2023, and I'm out in the edge of the first food forest here. And this morning I was over working in the coop, potting up some thornless blackberry plants. Excuse me. And I heard a big smashing sound. I thought something ran into the greenhouse. It was so loud. And so I came out here, and you can see that one of our large Shademaster locust trees, half of it split off. And this is really at the edge of part of the first food forest. So this is a persimmons. That one's pretty damaged. Here's the honey locust here. You can see where it's split here. Beautiful trees. This is the first one I've had split like this. Took off half of one of the peaches here, one of the apples, well, two of the apples, looks like the red bud, 3 Asian pears, and a couple more apples, at least as far as what I could see. So I came over and I did cut off the rest of the trunk here, which was sprung down. And I'll have to decide if I'm going to repair this or just cut this part off and let it heal. If I cut it off and let it heal, this will gradually work its way around and there'll just be a center spot that's open for the next several years. Just don't know yet. I really do love these locust trees, but this is the first time I've seen one of the locusts actually do this, especially the Shademasters. They're really, really nice. So, man, I hate seeing, these are my favorite peach trees right here as well. It did spare the pawpaw there. But that's how things work out. I've been working down in the forest, so I've got to go down there to get Elon. Elon's on this property, not the new property. So I've been doing a lot of work down there, and I'll do an update about that sometime soon. But I'll go get Elon, and then I'll head down to the beaver dam because I've got to compress some of that dam that the spillway keeps getting built up by the beaver down there. And then I'll come up here and see if I can get some of this locust tree out of here. And these ones, I still have a lot of these concrete mesh cages around. So they look like they're pretty much crushed as well. All right, well, I better get started. Well, I'm back. It's afternoon, a little bit overheated. Took several hours to get several loads. Thank God for the Kubota B2601, also known as Mini Me with that Land Pride grapple. That really helped out an awful lot. And thank goodness for Elon, the Takushi TB290. I did decide to take off the piece that snapped off here, and this will heal over gradually. Hopefully we won't have another split with this. I haven't had that problem with the locust trees in the past. And this one's 20 years old. These 4 trees I put in 20 years ago. This one about 8 years ago I transplanted. This one about 12 years ago transplanted. So in 03 we had the big ice storm that took out all our trees around here, so everything's new since then, except for that white birch right there that's dying. So this is a persimmons, a honey locust, half of a peach tree. What was here? We had a red bud there, another red bud here. Asian pear was right here, another Asian pear there. Asian pear. Part of this bugger here, this apple here. Persimmons here. Red bud. And over there, a cherry. Not sure what's underneath there. I didn't get that one uncovered yet. So there's a lot more to be cleaned up around in here, but at least I've gotten, you know, the main damage off, and these trees probably will come back, hopefully. And I may end up transplanting that other locust tree there. to a different section because they shoot up so darn quick here. And I guess I'm probably not making a lot of sense. I'm a little overheated, so I want to get inside and cool down. But a little unexpected event, like a tree snapping without there being a windstorm. I'm sure the winds of the night before last, we really had big storm cell come through. We didn't get the rain, but lots of thunder and lightning cracking all around us. People got tremendous downpours. We didn't get it, but the winds were really high. I'm surprised this didn't come down at that time. So a lot of work to do out here in the food forest. I've got to stake up that red bud, but I'm going to turn all my red buds into bushes now. They just can't handle it here. And I think that's about it. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I may be packing them in a little bit too tight an area here. When they're small, it seems like there's plenty of room. When they get bigger, they tend to topple over like dominoes. All right, folks, you take care and stay safe. Bye-bye now.